Hey guys, what's up? So, per the request of my Instagram followers, I have decided that I want to start making YouTube videos again. My last tutorial I did was about 2 years ago, and since then, I have had time to really hone my skills, figure out new techniques, and yeah. So, today's look is going to be inspired by a look I did a few weeks ago, I believe. I titled it Vampire Secretary because, I kind of look like a vampire that's a secretary. It came from my affinity for red and black tones, and it was kind of a spur-of-the-moment thing. I didn't really have it planned out, but I like how it turned out, so I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. So if you'd like to see how I got this, then keep on watching. Alright, so to start off this look, I'm first going to be changing my contacts. I have in regular lenses right now, and when I first did this look, I had circle lenses in. So, let me do that real quick. As you can see, the circle lenses just make my eyes a little darker and a little bigger around the iris. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the makeup I already have on my face, which is just my eyebrows, but you know, clean palette for makeup is best, so. And I forgot I had some concealer on. Whoops! So after letting the face chill out for a minute, the first thing we're going to do is foundation. So I have my MAC Beauty Blender sponge thing. I need a new one. This one's kind of old and gross. And the two foundations I'm going to be using today for mixing purposes are the Lancome foundations. I have fake tan on at the moment, so usually my go-to is the 230 Buff Warm, but when I don't have fake tan, and I'm in between stages between summer and winter, I use the 160 Ivory Warm. So we're just going to mix those two, because vampires aren't usually tan, but hey, it's like vampire during summer vacation, went to the beach, got a slight tan. Who knows? So I wet my sponge, and we're just going to do, let's see, maybe 2 pumps of the 230, maybe 2.5, just to be safe. Then we're going to take 1 pump of the 160, and I'm just going to mix those together using the back of some e.l.f. brush. Now to tone that down just a little bit, just because it is a little darker than my fake tan still, I need to redo it. I'm just going to take more of that 160 and apply it to the T-zone just to blend it out and make it look a little lighter. Alright, so with the foundation all set, I'm just going to use some powder to set the face, make myself look less like a grease ball. And today I'm using the Revlon Photo Ready in Translucent. And to set that all down, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush first to do under the eyes. And then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and do the rest. So after we've applied powder to mattify the face, we are going to do eyebrows. So to start off, I use the Jordana eyebrow pencil, Fabubrow pencil, in the shade Midnight Brown. Looks like this. I use it a lot. This is what I use all the time. Usually what I do, and if you guys want a full-length eyebrow tutorial, let me know. But usually what I do is I sharpen the pencil, and I use a little spoolie on the end just to brush up the brow hairs, just to see like kind of the general shape. And I like to start off like 2/3 into the brow, and I just outline the arch just to see pretty much what I'm doing. So you should have something like that. I also took the eyebrow pencil and I just lined the bottom to create that sharp point. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows with the Lorac Pro palette, the first one. and we're going to be taking the shade Black to match the hair. And some of you will probably think, oh my god, she's using black on her eyebrows. Do vampires really care what mortals think? And to apply the eyeshadow, I'm just going to use an e.l.f. angled brush. With the eyebrows now complete, we're going to move on to contouring. And to contour, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette. It looks kind of gross, pardon. But I'm going to be taking some of the browner grayish tones, just so I don't add too much color to the face, but to also show that there is dimension. So with the cheeks, forehead, and jawline done, it's time for the nose. I'm taking this unknown named e.l.f. brush. It just looks like that. And we're going to use the same shades. And what I like to do is look straight on ahead and place 2 little strokes towards the middle, and then blend them up and out. So now that everything is done with the foundation, powder, contouring, etc., it's time to move on to the eyes. For the bulk of the red, I am taking Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Velour Lipstick. This came with the Rainbow Bundle in the shade Red Rum, and I'm just going to outline the, I guess it wouldn't be considered a cut crease, but the dramatic liner that's going above the crease and flipped out. So taking an e.l.f. angled eyeliner brush, I'm just going to take some of the product and start eyelining where I want the red to go. Now that I have the basic shape of the red down, sort of an elongated almond shape, I'm going to be taking the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner to do the graphic liner, which, starting from the bottom, I will take out and then swoop back in to create sort of a pulled out sort of look. I like starting at the edge of the waterline and just drawing a line out first on both sides, and then connecting to see how thick, or if I need to fix it with concealer to make it thinner, just to see how it looks as a sketch. So now with the black eyeliner done, I'm just going to add a few little stars to the edges of my eyes just to give it some more character. And I'm also going to add a couple of dots around the eye and towards the tear ducts. And I'm also going to add some sharp points at the end of the tear duct just to bring the eye to a sharper point. So I'm going to be using a combination of 2 mascaras. The first one will be the Benefit Roller Lash because I'm almost out of it. And on top of that, I'm going to use the Rimmel London Lash Accelerator just to make it darker. So while the first layer of the mascara is drying, I'm going to put some lash glue on my fake lashes. Unfortunately, I don't know the name of these, but they're just some really spiky, long ones. I think I got them at a Halloween store or something. And for the lash glue, I'm going to be using the Duo Eyelash Adhesive. Now with the lashes all done, and don't worry, the glue dries clear, we are all done with the face, and now it's time for the wig and a costume change. So now that I have the shirt and the wig on, I'm just going to finish by doing my lips, and today I'm going to be using Jeffree Star Cosmetics I'm Nude. Alright, so this is the final look. I'm pretty satisfied with how it turned out. I like the eyeliner. It's a little different from the original, but no big deal. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be trying to upload videos as often as I can. I am a college student, so life can be a little busy for me with homework and such. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!